love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always.
So today is NumPy lesson 4. So this is basically array slicing. So we have actually seen quite a lot, and we've also seen the array slicing in the Python itself. So basically slicing is like, more or less taking a substringing. So basically you are taking an element from one given index to another given index. Okay, like what is a start, what is a end, like a substringing. We don't pass start, it is considered to be 0. Okay, if we don't pass the end, it is considered to be the length of the array. So let's actually see what we're actually talking of. Let's actually take this and, like always, dissect the code before we run it. So I'm importing the NumPy as np aliasing, and this is my array, and then I say my array is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and then I'm slicing from 1 to 5. So is it like 0 1 2 3 4 5 6? So 1 to 5 is 2 3 4 5. Is that what it is? Let's actually see and run. Yes, that is exactly what it is. It is actually started from 0 here. So 1 2 5, this is exactly what is given. So this is like a substringing, and this is called slicing. All right, let's actually take another manner. So here we say 4 to the end. So 4 is 0 1 2 3 4. So 5 to the end, 5 6 7. Let's see this. Yeah, 5 6 7. Now from the beginning up to 4. Okay, this is the way you actually define. From the beginning up to 4. 0 1 2 3 4. So it's 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 0, it's 1 2 3 4, because up to 4 it only stops here, but it actually starts from 0 here. We can also do a negative slicing. A negative slicing is a minus operator, that is from the back to the front. So let's actually see this. So same, importing the NumPy as np. Okay, and then we have this, so minus 1 to minus 3. So let's actually see the answer, and let's see how it is actually functioning. So minus 1 is this, minus 2 and minus 3. So he's also taking this minus 1. So that is why this 5 and 6. Okay, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. And since it is 1, 5 and 6 has been taken. Very nice. We use a step value to determine the step of the slicing. What does it mean? Hey, you're talking something like a step and something new. What do you mean here? Let's see. So the same up to this, and then like this is a step, like a 1 is to 5 in the steps of 2. Okay, so when we actually run this, oops. So when I actually run this, see, 2 and 4. So 1 is to 5 is in the multiples of 2. So 1 to 5, so in the steps of 2, so that will be 2 and 4. There are only 2 hops here. So that is what they mean by step. And this we already did that. So this is also a step, because since this is a step of 2, so let's see what is actually happening. So it gives me the odd 1 3 5 and 7. It gives me the odd. So that is what this means. We can also slice a 2D array. Okay, so by slicing a 2D array is from the second element, slice elements from index 1 to index 4. So let's actually see. So we know, like, we have created a 2D array here. So this is 1 is to 4. We take the first, and this 1 is to 4. So let's see what is happening. 7 8 9, because this is in the second one. Okay, so that is why this gives 7 8 9. All right, so this is in the 2D array. You can also try another one, same thing, but in this case we are actually giving 0 to 2 here and with a step of 2. So let's see what is happening. Now this is 3 and 8, so which means it is taking 1 from here and 1 from here. Okay, so this is the first, this thing, 0 1 2. Okay, so he has taken the 3, and here, like, if it is the same 0 1 2, it is 8. So 3 and 8. So this is what it says. So here if you see, this is in the very first array. So the very first array, the 1 is 2. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, or 1, 2, 4. So he's taking the, after leaving the first one, if it's starting from 1, 2, 3, so that is why he's taking the 7, 8, 9. So here, this is coming as a step. You can try one more comment in a 2D. It's the same. Yeah, so this is like, in this thing we gave 1 is to 4, 0 to 2. So let's see what is actually happening here. See, it's giving me 2, 3, 4 and 7, 8, 9. The 7, 8, 9 we knew it actually came. So 0 to 2 is what? So basically it's 2, 3, 4. And this is a 2-dimensional. I trust you have actually enjoyed my NumPy lesson 4 and array slicing. If you have any questions, kindly contact me. I should try to help you to the best of my abilities. Go over the comments, play with it, and then see how we can actually understand. Till we see next time, take care, cheers, and thanks for giving me your time.